Every day, defense manufacturers handle designs, blueprints, and specifications that support the U.S. military and government. Some of that information might not be classified, but it's still sensitive. That's where Controlled Unclassified Information, or also known as CUI, comes in at. If your company works under DFARS or supports DoD contracts, you already have a responsibility to identify and protect it. CUI is any information created or possessed by the government or on its behalf that requires safeguarding or controlled dissemination. Again, it's not classified, but it's not public either. There are two types. You have CUI Basic, which requires standard protection, and you have CUI Specified, which comes with additional rules defined by law or regulation. Your job is to know the difference, because how you handle each one changes what systems you can use and who you can share it with. Let's break this down a little more. CUI is divided into categories listed in the official CUI registry. Things like export control, critical infrastructure, financial, or law enforcement. If your contract mentions DFARS 252.204-7012 or NIST 800-171, that means you're required to safeguard CUI. The key question every employee should ask before handling data is this CUI? Check your documentation, data markings, and project folders. And when in doubt, treat it as controlled. CUI must be clearly marked. You'll often see headers or footers labeled controlled or CUI. That marking isn't optional. It tells everyone how that information must be handled. Never store or send CUI through personal email, public cloud drives, or unsecured devices. It should always remain within authorized systems such as Microsoft GCC High, FedRAMP Moderate, or equivalent secure environments. Protecting CUI isn't just your IT department's job. It's everyone's responsibility. Whether you're creating technical drawings, emailing subcontractors, or logging production data, each action can expose CUI if it's not handled correctly. One small mistake can lead to data spills, contract loss, or even government penalties. That's why continuous CUI training is mandatory for defense contractors. Controlled Unclassified information is the backbone of national security at the unclassified level. Protecting it protects our defense industrial base and our country. Enroll today at CUItraining.com to ensure your team is compliant, confident, and fully trained to manage controlled unclassified information responsibly.